Okay, gang, what we have here today is a simple test for a ballast. Ballast is the electronic controller for the 4-foot fluorescent bulbs that you will find in some units. You see them a lot in offices. So this is something that just good knowledge to have. It's really very basic. This is your black and your white wires that are coming from the ceiling. These are the ones that would connect to the two wires coming out of the ceiling. So you can just disconnect the wire nuts to eliminate power. You cannot do this test with any power going to it. Everything has to be completely off. Now these wires here, you've got two yellows. Every ballast is going to have two yellows, two reds, and two blues. Okay. If it's been changed before, these will probably be connected with wire nuts. Now if they're not, what you can do is just scrape off a little bit of the insulation, test it, and if everything tests as being good and you've eliminated the ballast as a problem, you can just go back with electrical tape and tape back over where you scraped off, and you should be just fine. But anyway, the test is very, very simple. You want to take the black lead from your tester. I'm sorry, first of all, to set up your tester, you want to go to the lowest ohms. On mine, it happens to be 200 ohms with a beat tone. And 1 means open line. Yours may have an OL on your tester. If it does, then that's an open line. Okay? Open line is what we want. This should never change. We want to keep this as an open line on every one of these. So we take our black lead to our white wire. That's the only one we're going to use from the power. With the black lead to the white wire, we're going to test our yellow. We see no change, no beat tone. We check our second yellow. No change, no beat tone. Check one of the reds. No change, no beat tone. These are good. No change, no beat tone. Test our blue wires. Oh, here we go. I'm getting a beat tone and I'm getting a reading. It's fluctuating, but there's a reading there. Check this blue one. Okay, same thing. Okay, probably when this one went bad, or either one of these went bad, the other one went bad at the same time. Again, just to clarify that for you, black lead on the white wire, test them one at a time. You're looking for no change. No change means it's good. Okay? Any reading at all, you've got a bad ballast. These cannot be serviced or repaired. You just have to replace it. What you want to do is, all you have to do is make sure you get 120 volts. And there's a little diagram on here that says ballast and 2 lamps. Okay? Now here's one for a 4-lamp fixture. The diagram shows the ballast and 4 lamps. Okay? So the main thing that you want to know is that 120 volts and whether or not it's a T8, a T6, a T12, they'll all be T. And you can tell that from the bulb itself. The light bulb will have a marking on it that says T8. T8 is the most common. That's your standard 4-foot long fluorescent light fixture. So anyway, that's all there is to it. These are available through HD Supply. They're also available at pretty much any hardware store, even the little mom and pops. So Home Depot and Lowe's will also have them. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me, and I'll be happy to work with you.